Alwitra – System Solutions for Flat Roofs. In this video we demonstrate how to weld EVALON and EVALASTIC using hot air welding machines. After the previously laid membrane has been mechanically fastened, the next membrane sheet can be positioned. The dashed lines can be used as guidelines for the corresponding lap width. These lines are located 50, 110 and 120 mm from the membrane edge. 50 mm overlap to be used for fully adhered and loose-laid and ballasted systems, 110 mm lap for oval, 40 mm wide plates and 120 mm for round 50 mm diameter discs. Here we use the 110 mm line. Rounding the corners makes welding easier and provides a better looking finish. For the hot air welding of EVALON and EVALASTIC waterproofing membranes, all approved self-propelled hot air welding machines for synthetic membranes can be used. Hot air welding machines enable you to weld 2.5 to 3.5 meters of seam per minute. The temperature should be set between 470 and 570 degrees centigrade. Speed, air flow and air temperature have to be adapted to the actual ambient and material temperature. Without pre-warming the membranes, ambient temperature has to be a minimum of 5 degrees centigrade. It is a good idea to work on some test areas before commencing work. T-joints have to be welded manually, and therefore metal sheets must be inserted before passing over with automatic welding machine. See also our video about butt and T-joints. Finally, the welded seams have to be tested over the complete length, which can be easily done using the alwitra seam checker.